In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to establish an investment account and manage sub-accounts for stocks or mutual funds. This step-by-step process will help you organize your investments efficiently while keeping everything straightforward and easy to navigate. So, let's dive right in. To embark on this journey, you first need to create a new investment account. Begin by locating the Actions menu on your financial software or application. Click on it, and then select New Account from the drop-down options. This is your starting point for organizing your investments systematically. Once you've opened a new account, it's time to give it a name, something clear and indicative, like Investments, so that you can easily identify it among your other accounts. Naming your account appropriately is crucial, as it will help you keep things tidy and accessible. Now, you need to specify the account type. You'll want to choose Asset here. This designation is important because it accurately categorizes your investment account within your financial management system, ensuring that all transactions and balances are tracked correctly. With your main investment account set up, we can now move on to the next crucial part, adding sub-accounts, specifically for stocks or mutual funds. These sub-accounts will help you manage and monitor specific investments within your overarching investment account. Underneath your main investment account, you'll want to create individual sub-accounts for each type of stock or mutual fund you own or plan to acquire. This targeted organization will enhance your ability to manage your portfolio effectively. For instance, let's say you have a mutual fund you're investing in, such as the Vanguard 500 Index. It's a good idea to create a sub-account named something like Mutual Fund Vanguard Factor 500 Index. This practical naming convention helps with effortless tracking and ensures that you can quickly pull up specific investment information without sifting through all your accounts. When setting up these sub-accounts, choose the appropriate account type, either stock or mutual fund, depending on the investment you're dealing with. Selecting the correct account type is key as it determines how each investment's transactions and performance are recorded and reported within your system. By organizing your investments using main and sub-accounts, you create a clear, logical structure that can make managing your financial portfolio simpler and more efficient. This method not only fosters better financial oversight, but also allows you to review your investment performance with clarity and ease. As you proceed with your investments, revisit this setup periodically to add new accounts or adjust existing ones, keeping your investment strategy aligned with your financial goals. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful as you manage and grow your investments.